Want to know how to modify the view of the client CRM in SuiteDash for better interaction? Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to tweak your CRM settings so your team and clients have a smoother, more efficient experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a few new tricks up your sleeve for improving user interaction with SuiteDash, but I'll also share a powerful alternative that might just take your CRM to the next level. First off, SuiteDash offers a solid suite of tools for managing clients, but one of the most important features is customizing the view of your CRM. It's essential because the default view doesn't always show you the most relevant or accessible information. So, the first thing you want to do is head to your dashboard and find the CRM settings section. Here, you can tweak a lot of things, including which fields appear for each client and how they're sorted. Next, you'll want to focus on adjusting the client profile view. You can add or remove custom fields to match what's most important for your workflow. If you've got data you want easily accessible, SuiteDash lets you modify those client profiles with a simple drag-and-drop interface. This means, instead of hunting through menus, you can have exactly what you need right at your fingertips. The third thing to remember is using color coding or tagging for different client statuses. For example, you could tag clients based on a stage of your sales pipeline or the level of interaction you need. This is a simple but very effective way to visually prioritize clients so that your team knows exactly what needs attention at a glance. Next, let's talk about filters. SuiteDash gives you the ability to filter your CRM data by specific criteria, whether that's by status, category, or even custom tags you've set. With this, you can quickly drill down into your CRM to focus on the clients that need immediate attention. But here's a tip: be strategic about how you use your filters to avoid overwhelming your team with too many options. Another useful feature is the ability to create custom views for your team. Whether you've got a sales team, project managers, or client support, each role can benefit from a tailored view of the CRM that emphasizes the data most relevant to them. This can save tons of time by ensuring everyone is working from the same page with exactly what they need in front of them. The last thing you should consider is integrating your CRM with other tools, such as email marketing platforms or invoicing systems. SuiteDash integrates with a variety of apps that can help centralize your client data so you don't have to jump between multiple software platforms. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and keep everything connected. Now, while SuiteDash does a good job with CRM customization, I have to be honest, it can still feel a bit clunky when you compare it to other options. Its interface might take a bit of getting used to, and some features feel limited if you're looking for a highly tailored experience. Plus, customer support isn't always as responsive as you might want when you run into issues. That's why I want to introduce you to some powerful alternatives. These alternatives offer similar CRM features, but with improved functionality and a smoother user experience for managing client interactions. If you're looking for a more intuitive interface and better customization options, these alternatives may suit your needs even better. The cool part? I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can access an extended free trial for SuiteDash. But here's the twist: I've also included these amazing alternatives that offer free trials as well, and I believe they could be a better fit for your goal of improving client CRM interaction. You'll get the best benefits and access to exclusive features just by using our link. So, check out the description below to get started and try out these options for yourself. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take your CRM to the next level.